For decades, industry asked one question: how do we do less damage? But today, the question is different. What if industry could do good? Carbon neutrality only means breaking even. Zero emissions, zero improvement. The planet is still broken. Net positive design flips the system. Factories don't just reduce harm, they regenerate ecosystems, restore materials, and create more than they consume. At Interface, the world's largest carpet manufacturer, did something radical. They stopped extracting oil and started cleaning the ocean. Their carpets are made from recycled fishing nets, cutting emissions while removing plastic waste from marine ecosystems. Patagonia didn't stop at sustainability. They invested in regenerative agriculture farming that restores soil, biodiversity, and water cycles. Their products don't just last longer. They actively improve the land they come from. Nike redesigned how products are made. Flyknit technology cuts material waste by up to 60%, turning manufacturing efficiency into climate impact. Net positive design relies on closed loops. Waste becomes resource. Energy becomes renewable. Production becomes regeneration. The future of industry isn't about doing less harm. It's about creating more good. Carbon neutral is the floor. Net positive is the future.